Hi guys, Mrs. Lear here. Will you read some words with me? Remember, we'll say the sounds together, we'll drag out those sounds, and then we'll say the word the fast way. Here we go. B-ag, bag. B-ed, bed. B-ug, bug. B-us, bus. Jet, jet. Rib, rib. Sun. Zip, zip. Ip, rip. Ebb, web. Log, log. Run, run. Wig, wig. That's all the words I have. Thanks for reading with me today. We'll see you soon. Bye.